Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach second measure of central tendency, that is median. Median is second measure of central tendency. It divides the given data into equal parts. And this is for class 9. Median is the second measure of central tendency. It gives value of middle term. Value of middle term it divides the given data into equal parts. Median is the second measure of central tendency. It gives value of middle term and it divides the given data into equal parts. As for example, find the median of one, two, three, four, five, six, 7. This is given data. It is ungrouped data. Only you have to do a study of ungrouped data. So in this data, see which term divides the given data into equal parts. There are 7 observations, 3 and 3. 4 divides the given data into equal parts. So 4 is the median. Median is 4 and it is fourth term. So value of fourth term is 4. Fourth term is 4. Value of fourth term is 4. So it is median. Median gives value of middle term. This is middle term and its value is 4. One more example. Median of A, B, C, D, E. Suppose it is data A, B, C, D, E. So third term, there are 5 terms and third term divides the given data into equal parts. So C will be median. C will be median. In example number 1, data is given in ascending order, and in example number 2 there is no number, there is alphabet A, B, C, D, E. For finding the median, first we arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. In increasing order or decreasing order. For finding the median, first of all, we arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. The number of observations if the number of observations if the number of observations means n is an odd number, then median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 h turn. N plus 1 upon 2h turn. If the number of observations is even number, then median is equal to n upon 2h turn plus n upon 2 plus 1h turn divided by 2. If number of observations n is even number, then median is equal to average of or mean of n by 2h turn plus n by 2 plus 1h turn. Example number 3. Find the median of 6, 5, 4, 0, 1, 9, 10. Find the median of 6, 5, 4, 0, 1, 9, 10. So first we arrange the given data in ascending order or descending order. After arranging in ascending order, we get 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Then count the number of observations. 1, n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 and it is odd number. It is odd number. Therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. N 7 plus 1 upon 2th term. 7 plus 1 8 by 2 4. That is 4th term. And see 4th term 1 2 3 4. 4th term is 5. So 5 is the correct median. 5 is the correct median and see here 5 divides the given data into equal parts. 5 divides the given data into equal parts. Example number 4. Find the median of 6 5 4 0 1 9 10 11. Find the median of 6 5 4 0 1 9 10 and 11. First we arrange the given data arranging in descending order or ascending order, any one order. We get 11, then 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 0. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 is also 1, 4, 1, 0, 8. N is equal to 8 and it is even number. So median is equal to median. It is denoted by ME. N upon 2th term plus N upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2 means N upon 2 8 by 2 plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 means 4th term 8 by 2, 4th term plus 5th term upon 2. See 4th term 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is 4th term and it is 5th term. 4th term 6 plus 5 upon 2, 11 upon 2 and it is equal to 5.5. 5.5. It is median. So if see 6 and 5, there are two middle terms, 6 and 5. So average of both middle terms is the median. Average of both middle terms. Suppose one given data is A, B, C, D, E and F. This is given data A, B, C, D, E and F, and we have to find the median. So C and D are in middle, C and D. So average of C and D, average of C and D is the median. C plus D upon 2. It is average of C and D. So it is median. So now students, keep in mind, median divides the given data into equal parts, and median gives middle value of the median gives value of middle term. And the last measure of central tendency is mode. It is last measure of central tendency. Or you can say third measure of central tendency. Third and last measure of central tendency. Mode means most frequent term. Most frequent term or most repeated term or having maximum frequency. Having maximum frequency term is mode. Mode is the most frequent term or most repeated term or having maximum frequency. Mean, average and median middle term, and mode most frequent term. Example number 1 about mode. Find the mode of 6, 9, 9, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 6 and 9. It is given data and it is ungrouped data. We have to find the mode. Mode means most frequent term or most repeated term having maximum frequency. Since 6 occurs 2 times, so frequency of 6 is 2. 9 occurs 4 times, frequency of 9 is 4. Right? Fi, like this. Xi observation, Fi frequency. 6, frequency of 6 is 2. 9, frequency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 occurs one time, 1 2 times, 2 times, so maximum frequency is 4. This is maximum frequency. Therefore median is equal to, mode is equal to MO. It is denoted by MO. Mode is equal to 9. Most frequent term 9 is most frequent term. Thus, measures of central tendency is over. And after measures of central tendency, we have to study about measures of dispersion, but it is not in class 9 and not in 10th. In class 11, we have to do a study about measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Okay, thank you students for watching this